Vivo X200 Ultra is a powerhouse smartphone crafted for users who demand speed, power, and top-tier features in every aspect of their mobile experience. With its premium build and cutting-edge hardware, it suits tech-savvy individuals, gamers, and content creators alike. At the heart of the Vivo X200 Ultra is the latest Snapdragon Elite processor, designed to offer lightning-fast speeds and smooth performance across all applications. It comes paired with 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X quad-channel RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and rapid app switching. For storage, users can choose between 256GB, 512GB, or a massive 1TB UFS 4.1 option, offering ample room for games, media, and files. The device features a stunning 6.82 inches 2K AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This makes every swipe fluid and every visual vibrant, especially with support for HDR content and 1 billion colors. The peak brightness of up to 3000 nits ensures visibility even in direct sunlight, making it a treat for media lovers and gamers. Powering the X200 Ultra is a large 6000 mAh battery that supports 90-watt fast charging and 30-watt wireless charging. This allows you to get hours of usage with just a short charge. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the battery is built to last through your day with ease. The Vivo X200 Ultra is designed to be a gaming beast. It comes equipped with a dedicated gaming mode and a separate graphic chip for smoother visuals. Advanced VC liquid cooling ensures the phone remains cool during heavy use, preventing overheating and performance drops. Photography is a major strength of this phone. On the back, it sports a triple camera system, a 200-megapixel telephoto lens with an 85mm Zeiss APO, a 50-megapixel L818 main sensor, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 116-degree field of view. These lenses capture clear, vibrant, and highly detailed images. The 32-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. If that's not enough for you, Vivo also has a detachable Zeiss lens in the X200 Ultra's photography kit, which extends the focal length up to 200mm. Running on Origin OS 5.0 based on Android 15, the user interface is intuitive and highly customizable. It also supports all modern connectivity features, including 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. Unlocking the device is secure and quick with both side fingerprint recognition and facial unlock options. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.